welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. Today I'm back with another makeup tutorial. Basically today's makeup was inspired by these Spectrum lipsticks. There's like 5 different shades here. I basically wanted to do quite a neutral eye that you can wear for night out, whatever you would like to wear this for. But I just wanted to do it quite neutral so you could wear it with any lipstick shade. So if you would like to see this makeup tutorial, then just keep watching. So this is my final makeup look. Let us know which coloured lipstick you think goes best with this eye look. I really like all of them, but I think red is always my favourite go-to lipstick. I will leave all the products that I've used in today's video linked down below if you would like to go and check any of them out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more videos from me. Thanks for watching.